to the Museum Negeri Kedah. Today we are at Museum Negeri Kedah. This museum located opposite to Stadium Darul Aman. For your information, behind this museum we have a long river that we call Sungai Kedah.
Across the road is a Stadium Darul Aman, and here is a Museum Negeri Kedah. So the station of River Cruise is behind this replica. So there is a station for registration to book the package. We are sure several of you that watch this video didn't know that we have one organization that manage the river. It is we call MAHAWANGSA Cruise. For your information, MAHAWANGSA Cruise provide us a boat to explore the river. By boat, follow the package that they provide.
There are package provided. It is first MRC, which is from 9:30 AM to 12 PM. Joyride from 12 PM to 6 PM. And the most important is sunset, which is from 6:30 to 7:30, and the night cruise from 8 PM to 9 PM.
So today we are choose the sunset package, and we hope we will get the beautiful sunset view while riding boat at Sungai Kedah.
For your information, the price to get the view of sunset is RM50 per person, and the others is only RM5 per person.
So let's go explore with us by riding boat at Sungai Kedah in 10 minutes.
Check it out.
Kita sedang mengejar matahari yang terbenam. Kebanggaan Alota, Menara Alota.
Apa tekan bawah tu sampai rendam. Okey, sunset pun dah jatuh ke bawah. Alright, kita akan patah balik ke Museum Negeri. Okay, bye-bye sunset. See you again tomorrow.
Bye. So we are done explore the sunset trip in Sungai Kedah.
As you can see in the video just now, you can along the cruise we can see the Menara Alustar, Hotel Royal, Jabatan Putra, and also sunset.
So if you all wish to see the view, the best view of sunset, you all
Can take the opportunity and come here and see the sunset. And you come here, you must book first because it only one trip to see the sunset. Bye.